Getting older should never mean losing independence. Today, I'm sharing some of the best assistive Amazon gadgets for elderly people that make daily life safer, easier, and more comfortable. These smart everyday assistance products are designed to support seniors at home without stress. Whether it's moving around, bathing safely, or reducing pain, these gadgets truly help. If any product catches your attention, all product links are in the description below, so you can check them out easily. Let's get started. Electric Mobility Scooter Pro. This mobility scooter for seniors is designed for comfort, safety, and long-distance travel. It features 4 stable wheels, a powerful motor, and a removable battery that delivers up to 20 miles of range on a single charge. The scooter supports up to 300 pounds and includes dual storage baskets, a crutch holder, and a USB charging port. Its padded seat, smooth steering, and easy controls make it ideal for elderly adults. This mobility scooter helps seniors move independently, run errands, and enjoy outdoor activities without fatigue. It reduces reliance on others, increases confidence, and improves overall quality of life. For elderly users needing reliable transportation, this electric mobility scooter is a practical and dependable solution. It works well indoors and outdoors, making daily movement easier. Unger Grabber Reacher Tool. This lightweight grabber tool for seniors is designed to help pick up items without bending or stretching. It features a comfortable trigger grip, a strong gripping claw, and a 360-degree rotating head for better reach in tight spaces. The built-in magnetic tip helps lift small metal objects like keys or coins. Made from durable materials, it remains easy to handle for elderly users with weak hands or limited mobility. This reacher tool reduces strain on the back, knees, and shoulders while improving safety around the home. It allows seniors to maintain independence when grabbing items from shelves, floors, or cabinets. For elderly assistance at home, this grabber reacher is a simple yet highly effective daily living aid. Eagle Health Shower Bench. This tub transfer bench for elderly users is designed to make bathing safer and more comfortable. It features a sliding swivel seat that allows smooth transfers in and out of the bathtub. The height-adjustable legs provide a secure fit for different tub sizes, while the sturdy frame supports reliable weight capacity. Its space-saving design works well in small bathrooms, and it is FSA and HSA eligible. This shower chair helps reduce the risk of slips and falls during bathing. It provides confidence, stability, and comfort for seniors and disabled users. For elderly bathroom safety, this tub-mounted shower bench supports independent hygiene while minimizing caregiver assistance and improving daily routine comfort at home. Adjustable Overbed Rolling Table. This Overbed bedside table for elderly users is designed for comfort and convenience at home or in hospital settings. It features a solid wood tabletop with adjustable height and a medical-grade tilt top. Smooth rolling wheels allow easy movement over beds, sofas, or chairs. The sturdy frame supports laptops, meals, books, and medical supplies. This rolling overbed table helps seniors eat, read, or work without strain. It promotes independence for elderly individuals with limited mobility or bed rest needs. The adjustable design improves posture and reduces discomfort. For home care and recovery support, this overbed table offers flexibility, stability, and everyday practicality for seniors needing accessible surfaces. TISSCARE Foot Massager Pro. This shiatsu foot massager for seniors is designed to relieve foot pain, improve circulation, and promote relaxation. It features deep kneading massage, heat therapy, and adjustable intensity levels. The massager targets feet, ankles, calves, and legs, making it ideal for neuropathy, plantar fasciitis, and daily fatigue. It is FSA and HSA eligible and easy to use at home or in the office. This foot massager helps elderly users reduce stiffness, ease pain, and relax muscles after long days. Regular use supports better blood flow and comfort. For seniors seeking pain relief and stress reduction, this foot massager offers soothing therapy without medication. Electric Chair Lift Assist. This electric chair lift for elderly users helps stand up independently from the floor. It supports up to 300 pounds and operates with a simple remote control. The strong lifting mechanism gently raises users to a standing position without strain. Its compact design fits well in living rooms, bedrooms, or care facilities. This chairlift reduces the risk of injury from falls and minimizes caregiver effort. It restores confidence and independence for seniors with limited strength or mobility. For elderly fall recovery support, this electric lift provides safety, dignity, and peace of mind. It is a reliable assistive device for aging adults living alone or with caregivers. VOCIC Rollator Walker Z21. This rollator walker for seniors is built for stability, comfort, and outdoor use. It supports up to 350 pounds and features large 8-inch wheels for all-terrain mobility. The ergonomic seat and thick backrest provide comfortable resting support. Dual height adjustment ensures proper posture for different users. Its lightweight, foldable design makes storage and transport easy. This walker helps elderly users maintain balance, reduce fall risk, and stay active. It supports walking confidence indoors and outdoors. For seniors needing reliable mobility assistance, this rollator walker improves independence, endurance, and overall daily movement with safety and comfort. Padded Gait Transfer Belt. This gait belt for seniors is designed to assist with safe transfers and mobility support. It features strong padded handles, a quick release buckle, and durable construction. Caregivers can securely assist elderly users during standing, walking, or bed transfers. The belt provides better grip control and reduces strain on both users and caregivers. This transfer belt improves safety during physical therapy or daily movement routines. It helps prevent slips, falls, and injuries. For elderly care at home or in medical settings, this gait belt supports confidence, stability, and controlled assistance during mobility tasks. It is an essential safety aid for senior transfers. Stainless steel jar opener. This under-cabinet jar opener for seniors is designed for weak hands and one-handed use. Made from durable stainless steel, it mounts easily under cabinets for convenient access. The opener grips jar lids and bottle caps securely, reducing hand strain. It works with various lid sizes and requires minimal effort. This tool helps elderly users open jars independently without pain or frustration. It improves kitchen safety and confidence for seniors with arthritis or limited grip strength. For everyday kitchen assistance, this jar opener simplifies meal preparation and restores independence during daily cooking tasks at home. Folding Rollator Walker Seat. This rollator walker for elderly users combines mobility and comfort in a lightweight aluminum frame. It features 4 8-inch wheels, comfort handles, and a thick, supportive backrest. The built-in seat allows seniors to rest when needed. Its foldable design makes it easy to store or transport. This medical rollator walker improves balance, posture, and walking confidence. It helps reduce fatigue and fall risk during daily activities. For seniors seeking dependable walking support, this rollator walker promotes independence, safety, and comfort both indoors and outdoors. Medline Tub Grab Bar. This tub grab bar for seniors is designed to improve bathroom safety. It features durable plastic construction with microban protection to resist bacteria. The grab bar supports up to 250 pounds and installs easily without tools. Its textured grip provides secure hand support when entering or exiting the tub. This safety bar helps reduce slips and falls during bathing. It increases confidence and stability for elderly users. For bathroom safety assistance, this tub grab bar offers reliable support and peace of mind for seniors and caregivers alike. Ergonomic Shower Chair Seat. It is a heavy-duty shower chair designed for seniors and disabled users. It features an H-shaped frame, padded backrest, and arm supports for comfort. The adjustable height legs include anti-slip feet for stability. This shower chair for elderly users supports up to 500 pounds. The open design allows easy cleaning and drainage. It reduces fatigue, improves posture, and prevents slipping during showers. Seniors can bathe safely while sitting comfortably, ideal for bathtubs and walk-in showers. It supports independence, dignity, and confidence while making daily hygiene routines safer and less stressful at home or care facilities every day. Toilet bidet attachment. This bidet attachment for elderly users is designed to improve hygiene and comfort. It features adjustable water pressure, angle control, and a self-cleaning nozzle. The easy installation fits most standard toilets without plumbing changes. This bidet reduces the need for bending or wiping, making it ideal for seniors with limited mobility. It promotes cleanliness, skin comfort, and independence. For elderly bathroom assistants, this bidet attachment offers a simple, hygienic, and dignified solution for daily personal care at home.